Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Let us look at the lease function in SQL Server 2022. The source code for this video is available on my GitHub account. Here's the URL. This is the repository, and this is the file you need to look for. We'll begin by creating just a small table just to show you, what this function is all about. So create this table. Then we're going to insert some data into that table. And then we're going to get to our first SQL statement. The goal is, what you want to do is you want to add the columns to the function leased that you want to compare. And it will produce the lowest value. So here, for you see 101, the lowest value here, you can see that it's the second number, which is FedEx. Let's go ahead and execute this. And notice that we get the 1347. Now, one way we can kick this up a notch is we can actually return which column it used inside of the lease function by using the case statement. Let's take a look at that. So here you can see that we have the same lease function. Then I'm using the case. And when the return value of this function equals the value from the table, UPS cost, I'm going to say it's UPS. And let's go ahead and execute this and see what that looks like. And you can see that we got FedEx out of there. Pretty nice, yeah? Now, if you're having SQL Server 2022 and have AdventureWorks, this works on those tables as well. So you can see here, I'm going to go get some sample data just for us to look at. And you can see that we're going to be comparing total due and subtotal. So add the columns you want to compare to leased. Let's go ahead and execute that. And then, of course, you've seen me use the case statement to clean things up a little bit. And that's all there is to the least. If you have any questions or comments about this function, please leave them below. Until next time, take care.